Hello, welcome to a episode that's just random on Cooking with Luke and Friends. I haven't done this in a long time, and was thinking, well, I got new equipment. Why not? So, if you don't know, I like to cook. I like to eat food. I like to try different things in different areas. So, I am in UAE, Dubai to be exact, and today we're in a luxury hotel and we're gonna try some of this chicken curry. So I got my rice over here. It's very hot, so I gotta be quick with it. And we got the curry, which I don't want to plop all the way over. We got that. So we're gonna try it out. So the reason why I wanted to do this is because again, I don't want to keep eating hamburgers. And I'll be honest with you, when I had the hamburgers in this hotel, it wasn't good. It was not. It was just like someone just try their best effort on how to make hamburgers. And so I want to go ahead and really get some real good food. Curry's really good. I fell in love with it when I went to Thailand. And I think that it's very good to have something that's a little bit more nutrition than a hamburger or a cheeseburger or whatnot. Additionally, that I would want to say too is that, you know, getting back in shape, you're gonna have to figure out what you're gonna eat. Now, some people say, "Well, I would eat the rice." I put it like this to you guys: which one's more important, the rice or the French fries? Because this is basic, simple. You don't have to do any extra things. You just gotta boil it and put it in there, right? And I get the curry. So we're gonna try it out now and get right to it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of rice in here. We'll move this to the side so y'all can see. Put a little bit of rice. I like to put pepper on my rice. I know that sounds weird, but I love pepper. And then we'll get some curry. So we got that. And we'll go ahead and taste it. It's hot, as you notice. Really good. It's got a buttery taste to it, which I like. I think that's because they got coconut milk in it. You got some peppers in there. You got some basil. You got some carrots in there. And I think you might have some chili peppers in there. I love it. And that's why I'm kind of like out of breath. I'm like, man, I didn't think the food was going to taste this good. And I'm truly amazed by it. So I definitely, if you want some good food, check out some of the hotels out here in Dubai. Or you don't have to go to the hotel per se. There are plenty of restaurants. They got a lot of Indian restaurants out here, Thai restaurants, you name it, they got it. To me, I just got the one in a hotel because I wanted something a little bit more convenient. I know I paid about $28 for this meal, and this technically could feed probably like two or three people. But for me, with my workout nutrition and stuff, this is basically a meal that can hold me probably all day. So guys, definitely check it out. I hope that you like this. I wanted to get down to the point, the nitty gritty, and try to do more videos, talk about more of the food out here. I haven't been able to cook for a few months because I've been traveling, but it doesn't hurt to talk about the food of different lands that I go to. So definitely, guys, make sure you subscribe. I thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Take care.